Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Just want to let you know today's video is sponsored by LASFIT. They sent me some bulbs and we're going to be showing you today what they look like on the new ZR2. Reverse lights are super simple. You just got to remove these right here, pull it straight out, and then alright everybody, to change the bulb in here you need to get a pry tool, pry off this little piece right in here on both sides, and then there's another piece in here you got to kind of push forward that way. And don't worry about breaking tabs, because I broke both of these, but it's okay. Still pops in there nice and easy. So there is a smaller cap in here, white piece, you need to take out too. And then once you get them installed, boom. Alright everyone, well that's going to do it for this video. I'm going to leave the links for these products down below so you guys can get your own LEDs from LASFIT. And I will see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.